If the need should arise and you need to wipe and reinstall a working version of ChromeOS back onto your Chromebook, as long as you have a copy of the recovery media, you can reinstall ChromeOS in less than 10 minutes. First, let's insert the recovery media into our Chromebook. Now if we hold down the Escape and F2 keys on our keyboard, then press the Power button, we will force our Chromebook to load the recovery media. However, unlike a PC or Apple Macintosh computer, a Chromebook will automatically start to wipe and reinstall ChromeOS, returning it back to its factory defaults. So in order to restore your user settings, files and applications, after being prompted to remove the recovery media, your Chromebook will be rebooted and you'll be presented with the initial setup wizard for ChromeOS. At this point, if you connect to the internet and sign in with your Google account, your user settings, files and applications will automatically be reinstalled.